Let us have a look at Numpy array. Few days ago I shared a picture which explained how a computer can read an image. I pointed out that a computer is going to read an image as an array. In this demonstration, I'll focus on pure Numpy and how to create arrays and play around with few functions. In the future demonstration, I'll describe the relationship between images and arrays. Numpy, by definition, is a fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. I have already installed Anaconda, which comes with Python, and Jupyter Notebook, which I am using right now. This environment comes with a number of packages pre-installed, including Numpy. The first thing I am going to do is to import Numpy. We have a couple of options to create arrays in Python. So what we are going to do here, we will create a normal Python list. And we can confirm by checking the type of this list. Yes, it's a list. So let us cast this to a Numpy array. When I run this, it returns an array of objects. And if I try to confirm it by checking the type of it, it reports back it is a Numpy array. Now let us take a look at some functions of Numpy, and we are going to start with arange. The arange function have 3 parameters. We are required to provide parameters for this function, the start and stop parameters, but also we have a step size parameter, which is an option. So here we are going to start at 0 and stop at 10, but 10 will not be included, as you'll find out when we run this cell. We can also test this by adding an optional parameter step, which will certainly add a gap of 2. Array will be created, as you can see. With Numpy, we can easily create a multi-dimensional array, very easily. Let us move on to another function of Numpy, which is Numpy zeros. Numpy zeros return a new array of a given shape and type filled with zeros. Here we are going to create a 5x2 array. The first value represents a height or row, while the second one represents width or column. If I run this cell, we get this result. Mind you that the default Numpy values created here are floats. That's why we can see a decimal point in these zeros. The final function we are going to explore today is Numpy Ones, which is similar to Numpy 0, except that this is going to fill array with 1. Let us create a 5x5 array and run this cell. Here is the result. As we predicted that it's going to fill the array with ones. Well, I know that these functions may seem of no importance at the moment, but along the way, you will find out their usefulness. Join me in the next video to explore operations we can do with Numpy.